So today I'm going to be talking um, about something very interesting. So I'll be walking you through on how to build a non-code a non-code SaaS app. All right. What that means is that I'll be teaching you on how to build any SaaS app, right? Any SaaS product without you coding. All right. So um, in case you don't know, you can easily build an app without you burden of coding or thinking of how to to hand over your project to a web developer. All right. So right inside your room, you can easily build an app of any particular niche that you desire without you coding at all. So today I'm going to walk you through on that really quick. Okay. So first of all, um, what do we mean by non-code SaaS? All right. So non-code SaaS actually means building subscription-based software products, right? Using visual drag and drop platforms and pre-built components instead of writing traditional programming code. All right. So without you worrying about how to code, you know, you can easily build any app of your choice. All right. So what else again? Core features of non-coding SaaS. We have visual builders, create user interface and designs layout with drag and drop elements, database and logic, manage users account, blah blah blah, third-party connectors, link billing processor, blah blah blah. So these are the things that these apps or this software, sorry, these softwares that we are going to be using to build these apps is going to help you to achieve. All right. So here are the features: rapid photo typing, build a minimal viable product MVP to test ideas quickly before investing large budget. Okay. So here are the popular tools. We have many of them. So we have Bubble, FlutterFlow, Software, Zapier, and etc. So here are the platform, okay? Here are the softwares. You can see, as you can see here, these are the inbuilt templates already designed by the company, which is Bubble. This is the Bubble software that we are. This is one of the recommended software I'm recommending to anyone who is to any of you or to anyone who is desiring to build an app. Okay, so here is one software you can use. This is Bubble. Here are the templates. You can see here are the design non coding app. Design designed by the company. Sorry. So um so this is something you can easily achieve without you coding at all. You can see this is so amazing. This is so amazing, sincerely. So without you bothering about coding at all, you can easily achieve all of this using this software. Okay. Here is another software again. This one is called Adalo. Adalo, this is the platform. Okay. The third one is called Glide. Glide. All right. So the fourth one is called, okay, the third one is called Glide. So I created an account using Glide. So I love this Glide platform. It's very, very easy to, the interface is very, very straightforward. So I already created something. You can see here, I created a spreadsheet of my company. All right. So I will walk you through on how to design this. This is something I built. You can see the app here. You can see the app here. This is an app I built using just a simple prompt. All right, and I was able to achieve this spreadsheet. You can see how beautiful it is. So the only limitation is that some of this code, many of these softwares require you to subscribe. All right, this is another one. This is a FlutterFlow. You can see this is the interface here. FlutterFlow. Sorry, you can see this interface. Here is where you are going to type your prompts. So all you just need is your prompts. So once you are able to organize and generate your prompts that you are going to be using for that app you want to build, you want the platform to build for you, you are good to go. Okay. So how can we? Okay, let me just quickly walk you through the. So to create an account with these platforms, all right. So I'll be recommending two to you guys. So I'll be recommending this um bubble, this bubble platform and glide and glide platform and FlutterFlow. So to get this account set up, all you just need to do is to create an account with them. All right. So let's say for instance now this bubble now, all you just need to create an account with them. All right. So once you click get started, so you are either required to use your Google account. Of course, you must have a Google account that is linked to your Gmail. So you have a Google account, or you rather use your normal Gmail. You can just insert your Gmail here and the password, but I would prefer you use your Google account. Very straightforward. So just click on Google. So then you can easily redirect to your Gmail automatically. All right. You can see you have created an account with them. So let us check our Gmail if there's any um, activation. Okay. Why is this one saying? All right. So now that we have created the Google um, account, so let's go to the second one, which is the one I'm recommending to you guys, Glid. So this Glid also, so the process, the whole account has the same process. All right. So to create an account, all you just have to do is to get started. So you can see here on this platform now, to get started, you are going to be landed to um, another to redirect you to another tab. So you can see now. So here is the Glip because we've created an account with them already. So you can see here now. So we've created an account already with them. So the FlutterFlow, we've already created an account. You also follow the same procedure, the way you created Bobo. All right. So once that is set up, so how can you now start using this platform? Okay. So before we dive into that, let me just quickly show you their subscription. All right. Let me just quickly show you their subscription package. Um, this one is Bobo, right? Bobo. Okay. Just want to quickly show you the subscription package. All right. So here is the interface here. So um, oh, all right. Okay. Okay. Still, let me log out. Okay. Ah, all right. So I don't think that would be possible since it's a free platform, I guess. So we don't need to subscribe for us to start using this software. So I think it's a free platform already. So now all you just need to achieve on this platform is a prompt. So once you insert a prompt, it's going to generate for you. All right, it's going to generate for you automatically. So um, it's either you create an app based on website or mobile app, either of the two. All right. So now, why the second one? The second one is called Glid platform. All right. This Glid platform, all you just need to get started here, and it will land you here. This interface. Okay. So the third one is called FlutterFlow. exactly the same thing. They are almost the same thing. All right, the interface of everything. The only difference, the only platform that is different among these three I just share with you after creating an account is Bubble, which I love. I love the way they design the interface. It's not too tricky or or tech like that. So it's very straightforward for any newbie to start using immediately without you thinking of how to get started. Okay. So now how can you generate these prompts? So the platform I use is Cloud. All right, I use Cloud to generate my prompts. Okay, so how was I able to create a prompt? No, I told you I already created an app, a spreadsheet app using the what is it called? Using this Glade platform, which is here. You can see this is the what is it called? Let me quickly show you. This is the spreadsheet I created. You can see it. This is the spreadsheet I created. This is the spreadsheet I created. This this is an app. Okay, you can see this is an app I created. Wow. Continue. So this is an app I created. You can see the interface there. This is the home page of the spreadsheet. Welcome back, Cloud Spark. You can see the name of my company, Amid Hub Module. Modules, sorry. So we are waiting for that to come up. Here's my profile. Here's the bonuses. All right. So let's just while we wait for that to load. So just want to show you what you can be able to achieve after um, following the process. Okay, so all I just need is to look and figure out my prompts. And first of all, first of all, you must have an idea of what you want to build. All right, of one particular SaaS app you want to build. Be it on in any, it may be a software that talks about traffic, or maybe a software that talks about content. Any topic at all that you feel like you want to build on. It may be on any feed. Maybe you are into design of any such, or you are offering a training platform and you need an app to be able to achieve that. You can easily do that here using this platform, and this app platform is going to generate that for you. All you just need is prompts. That is all. All right. Once you are able to generate the prompts, you are good to go. So how was I able to generate prompt to achieve this? Okay. So where is the question again? Let me quickly show you. So what I did here, I asked Cloud to give me idea of app to build using a non-coding software. So here is the feedback. It said, give me what you already built with Amit. All right. So this is my company already. I told you. So let's say for instance now you are you are a business owner. All right, and probably you want to build something or not. Let's just ask Cloud to okay, right. Okay, let me just ask Cloud to write me a prompt of a particular software of an idea that I wish to create. Let's say, for instance, now I want to build a digital company. I want to build an app. I want to build an app that talks about traffic or social media, for instance. I would just ask Cloud to write me a prompt. So let's just ask Cloud. I want you I want you to write for me. Um, okay, I want you to. Let me just say, write me prof- a professional and converting prompts on social media. On social media. Okay, let's just ask him. Write me a professional and combating prompt on social media. So let's wait for him to write us a prompt. Okay, so now you are a professional social media copywriter for affiliate marketing, blah 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 blah. Use it in the each of the example Facebook. Want me to write the first Facebook, turn it into. No, I want to use it. I want to okay. Let's ask this. Let's ask Cloud the question again. I think I miss. There's something I miss up here. I want to build. I want to build. You know. You know. You know coding SaaS SaaS app, and I want to. All right, and I want you to write, and I need a prompt, and I need a professional and a converting prompt on social media. Got it. All right, this is a prompt here. This is for promoting the no coding SaaS app itself, like member of. Okay. So here is the prompt here. You can see how long is the prompt. Run this for the actual you are planning to build. So now all you just have to do is to copy this code and inside it. Let's say for you have to make use of this. Then we just ask this platform to generate for us. So you can see it's initiating already. Activate trial. So let's wait for him. Okay. Um, mm, confirm your. Two two four 28. Okay. This platform is requiring us to insert our card. So we won't be able to use this platform because before you can do anything at all, you are required to insert your card, which I'm against with. All right, I'm not in support of you putting your card, especially if you are not ready to start using the platform. So since I'm not ready to use the platform, I will either ignore it and then move further. So let's just go to the second platform, which is Gilid platform. All right, so let's just create another project now. All right, so let me insert the code here. All right, just the way we did that, and let's see what it's going to achieve for us. So you can see it's thinking. So let's wait for it to. Before I can write the copy, I need the app details. Let me check what is in the Amid member of project. That should give me the real feature and real features and target audience. So like, let me dig into the app itself to understand the full feature setup and position. So now, one thing you must also understand, before you um, before you copy this prompt to the platform, the software that you are using to build this app, you must make sure that you do some editing on the prompt. I just all that because I'm for the cost for um the I just copy the code and I paste it into the platform without me checking, without checking what is in the prompt. So there are chances that there are times whereby the prompt that you copy may have some little errors. So you just have to cross check so that to see what needs to be edited or removed and add. You understand? So before you copy this prompt to the software, try do everything possible to check it again. What needs to be removed and what needs to be edited or add. Very, very important to do all of this. Okay. So let's wait for, okay, it's already generated for us. Which platform is the post for? Okay, let's just say Facebook. You can see this Glide app software is not requesting for any card for you to start using the platform. That is one thing I love about the platform. So let's go to the third one. Here is the Facebook post ready to copy and paste. This one created. Let's go through the prompt again. You are a professional copywriter. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, this is not the right prompt too. This one is writing me a copy. Okay, okay. I'm referring myself as a copywriter on this prompt. This is not what I need. I need. I want to build an app, right? I want to build a SaaS app on social media. All right, and I need to paste to paste to paste on Glide to build me a professional no code no coding app SaaS app. Exactly. That is exactly. I'm not. So this one is just trying to say that this one is I'm actually requesting for prompts for on this prompt. I'm just now reading the prompt. That is why I say make sure you cross check your prompts to know the exact question and feedback cloud was able to generate for you. So now on this prompt, it's saying that you are a professional. So I'm seeing I'm you are a professional SaaS marketing copywriter writing for, okay. So I'm actually asking a different question from what I am, okay, from what I'm requesting. So I ask a wrong question, all right, and this is what cloud was able to generate for me. So this is not what I'm actually looking for. I want to build an app. I'm not trying to say that you should write me a copyright content, all right. So this is giving me a content that I can use on my Facebook platform, all right. Okay, and this is not what I actually need. So it's a different thing I need entirely. I want him to build me an app, not a copyright write up. Okay, so let's just, all right. So this is a prompt: build a professional app, blah blah blah. So now I will copy this prompt, all right, After copying this prompt, I'll go to Great Platform and paste it. So after pasting it, I'll do some correction. I'll just put my name, the name of my company here, which is Amit. Alright, Amit for target users. So it's got for target users. Example, affiliate marketer, data marketer. Okay. Purpose, one sentence. So I will just pick affiliate marketing. You can see I'm doing the editing here now. So very important you do this. Alright, so I will now remove this and leave it like this. So this one is a purpose, one sentence. Is it for give cost buyers a private organized? Yes. So just leave it like this. Okay. So what next? What are we to do again? Your brand color. So let's just leave it like it's good to figure out a best recommended, but it's always good for you to use your own. Let's just say blue. So I want him to use blue. All right. So let's send it. So it's thinking, it's generating for us now. And see, this is the app here. Very straightforward and direct. So we are waiting for it to generate. So it's still loading. The existing Amin mobile app already has much of this. Let me survey what is in place and identify the gaps between building. So let me survey what is already here and fix that model query and error first. So it's generating. We are giving it time to generate for us. So while we wait for this to generate, let's make use of Flow. All right. So this is the Flow platform. Let's paste the same prompt. Let's copy the prompt that we use. Let's copy this prompt now. So while we wait for this one to so let's copy the prompt on FlutterFlow. All right. So let's wait for it to generate. So FlutterFlow is generating now. All right, you can see the app. I'm loving this already. In fact, this is so amazing. You can see how it's designing for us. FlutterFlow is even more professional. I love FlutterFlow. It's very, very professional. Very, very professional. So this one is still generating for us. You can see this one is still generating for us. And FlutterFlow is almost done. Almost done. You can see almost done. It's almost done already. You can see how beautiful this app is. So we are building an app on social media for our company, which is Amit. And this is the outcome. This is how the outcome is going to be like. You can see the interface. See how beautiful it is. This is so lovely. You don't need coding to achieve this. So it's sell it. You don't need coding at all. You don't need coding at all you just need is a simple prompt, and that is it. You are good to go. All you just need is a simple prompt. That is it. Wow, it's almost done. Let's check this one. This one is still working. Now let me create a new page. You can see this one. See what it's giving us. I'm not sure we are going to go for this glide, but I'm just trying to differentiate this software for you so that you know the one that is best for you. But right now, I will only recommend you use FlutterFlow because FlutterFlow is very, very professional. Very, very professional. You can see. Look at how the interface is. So this is the outcome. So all you just need to do is to edit. All right, this is how the app is going to be. So all you just need that is required for you is to edit. So whatever it is you want to add there is here. All right, you can see how straightforward it is. So whatever value you want to add, if you want to edit, you can edit it. You can edit it. So easy and straightforward. All right. So if you want to edit anything from here, just go click on this, and you are good to go. All right. So yes, this is where you have to edit. Maybe you want to edit something here now. You can easily do that. All right. If it's this value you want to change now, you can easily do that here. So here is the for the for the module session. I'm looking for where the value is. Okay, I think this is the value key. All right. So all you just need after generating this app, all you just need to do is to edit, add what is necessary, and that is all. All right. This is a template already. So after editing, then you publish. So right now, you can see this is the published session. So once you are done, you just click here and it will go. So let's just quickly check it out here. So while we wait for the, you can see this one has already generated the, okay, it's almost done. Okay, I think this one is very nice. So very nice. Wow, this is so lovely. This is so lovely. I love this. The outcome for this, the outcome using this glide software is super amazing. So we don't need to edit anything here. We don't need anything. So to publish this one now, you have to pay. You have to choose a plan for you to start using this platform. All right, which you are not ready now, but if you wish to go further, you can subscribe so that you can be able to publish this app. So now that we are not ready to publish, so let's just preview it. This is a mobile. This is how the mobile is going to be. All right. What else again? So you can see now. These are the app here. So after you edit, this is how it's going to be. All right, this is the app. You are not done. I'm just showing you that this is a sign of an app, just to show you. This is a sign of an app. There's still a lot of work to do on this one. You are still going to edit, add some things to make it finish work. All right. So now this one has helped us to do all the editing. So we don't need to add anything or addition to this. So all you just have to do is to publish, and then you are the ownership of the app. Okay, so that is that on this platform. So I would recommend you start using FlutterFlow or or Glade apps. All right, Glade app. This is it. This is it here. Where is it? Glade app. So all right, this is the name here. Glade app. So I recommend you use this platform or FlutterFlow. FlutterFlow. So these two software are very good. This is a FlutterFlow here. They are very solid. I will recommend these two platforms for you. So you don't need any coding to start using this platform. So you with this platform, with this software, you can build any SaaS app of your choice. All right, without you coding or thinking of how to code at all. So you don't need any experience whatsoever to start using these two platforms. You can see how easy it is. So just think about what you want to do. What do you do for your business? All right. If you are into one particular business, you can build something. You can build an app on that. All right. So just follow the same proceeding, the same procedure I make use of. All right. Generate your prompt just the way I did it here and paste it on the platform. Register with the platform and paste it, and it's going to pop it out for you. What need to be edited, you do that. All right. So the subscription plan, let's just go through the subscription plan for this package now. So let's say Flutter package price. Okay, pricing plan. So here's the pricing plan for Grid platform. So here's FlutterFlow package. This free trial, 1 day blueprint. You can do over 1,000. Then from the basic, which is $15.6, then 32, which I believe is very low, very cheap to afford. All right, very cheap to afford. For the Grid platform, we have plans for 25 monthly package, which is very friendly as well. So you can just try any of these two platforms out and see how it goes from your end. Okay, so one thing you must also avoid when creating or building an app using any of these platforms is make sure your prompt is well structured. Make sure you ask cloud the right question for it to generate a prompt for you. And after generating a prompt, make sure you check the prompt, all right, carefully. What is needed to be added and what is needed to be removed. Do that, all right, before you paste the prompt on the interface of the software you are using to build the app. Very, very important to follow these steps, all right? So that will be all for now. So I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, guys.